When it comes to freeing up time and space in the kitchen, few small appliances offer the versatility of the classic slow cooker. I'm Rob from Nebraska Furniture Mart. Slow cookers operate at lower temperatures for extended cooking times, making them ideal for tenderizing tougher cuts of meat like chuck steaks and roasts, or preparing meals in advance. The extended cooking time also allows better distribution of flavors and uses less energy than a standard oven, so you can usually set it and forget it for 4 to 6 hours. From dressings and dips to soups, stews, and casseroles, there isn't much a slow cooker can't do. And since they travel well, it's easy to take your favorite recipe to that office celebration or to your friend's house for the big game. Visit us in-store in Omaha, Kansas City, or the Colony, Texas to learn more about our selection of slow cookers and check out our huge selection of small appliances and kitchen gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.